If you work on a lot of electrical projects where you have to solder wires, connect wires to terminals, make cable connections, or anything else, then you need tools for all these operations. In this video we're checking out the top 5 best wire crimpers for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Titan Wire Terminal Crimper Tool. Titan is a highly popular brand of electronics tools that has been making high-quality products for a pretty long time now, including a pair of wire crimpers. The Titan 11477 wire crimper comes at the first position of this list since you get a high-quality wire crimper without paying a lot of money. Apart from having a high-quality construction, you get a total of 3 crimping cavities with this one. Thanks to these crimping cavities, you can use this wire crimper for wire sizes ranging from 10 Aruban florins to 22 Aruban florins as per your needs. 11 Though you get a pretty great build quality with this wire crimper, it misses out on any form of warranty, which can be an issue for many buyers. At number 4, Klein Wire Crimper Tool. Klein Tools is primarily a brand of small yet highly effective tools that do not cost much but still make for a great heavy-duty option. This Klein Tools 3005CR wire crimper comes at the third position of this article because you get a high value for money with this all-rounder offering. Even at the given price tag, you get a total of 3 cavities with this wire crimper. Because of this, you get the support for 10 Aruban florins to 22 Aruban florins sized wires, allowing you to easily work on most wires with ease. Another great thing about this wire crimper is that you get a 1-year warranty and a pretty sturdy build quality with it. However, this wire crimper is a bit on the larger side, which not everyone may prefer. At number 3, Wire Terminals Crimper Kit. The ratcheting crimping tool is made of carbon steel with hardened and tempered wire electrical discharge machining cutting jaws with perfect polishing. Designed according to human factors engineering, it can save 50% energy when crimping. Accurate adjustment before X-Works delivery. Due to best handle grasping position, light and compact structure and handle design ensure perfect crimping effect. Strip the wire to proper length, then insert the wire into connector. Choose the suitable slot and place the pin in one of these 3 slots. Close the tool slightly before the ratchet engaged and releases automatically. Got a tight and solid crimped wire with a secure pin on the end. At number 2, Hystronica Crimping Tool. The professional jaw can quickly and easily crimp various types of heat shrink connectors. The indentation will not damage the shell during the crimp. It firmly grasps the wires. Each crimper tool is marked with red, blue, yellow for easy identification. Precise ratchet structure according to the pressure needed to crimp products of different sizes. The built-in thickened ratchet automatically adjusts to the appropriate position to ensure the safe completion of crimping with easy release of the handle. The crimp height of the star wheel is adjustable to ensure the right amount of crimping force. The nylon, non-slip handle ensures comfortable and swift operation. There is a quick release lever on the inside of the handle that opens the jaws. Perfect combination. We recommend using crimper tools with Hystronica wire connectors to meet your work's different needs. Finally, at number 1, Hilitchi Wire Crimper Tool. While Hilitchi may not be as popular as other brands of tools in the market, you can still find multiple viable options from it while buying wire crimpers or any other tools. Those of you who are on a tight budget can go with the Hilti wire crimper since it is the cheapest option stated here. Even though it is highly affordable, you still get a total of 3 crimping cavities with this wire crimper. And just like more expensive options, this budget offering allows you to crimp wires with a size ranging between 10 Aruban florins and 22 Aruban florins. Even though you do get a decent build quality from it, you do not get any warranty with it due to the given affordable price tag. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.